Hi everyone. I'm happy to welcome you all to my channel Techify with Adil. So here as a continuation video for Excel. So today we will be seeing some of the important topics under Excel, like we will how to hide a particular sheet in a workbook, or how to protect that particular sheet, then hide unhide the sheets, then to have a screen capture option. We will have in Windows we will have the screenshot options, right? So Mac and Windows everywhere we have the screenshot option. Actually, Excel has its own inbuilt screenshot options as well. So we will see how to do that. Then we will see the conditional formatting. Then we see filtering. Then also we'll see advanced filtering based on some conditions, how we can filter the data. Then we can also we'll be seeing about how to change the, because we saw the tabs, right? Home tab, insert tab, data tab. So inside the each tab we will have some options there. So is there if you ask me a question like, is there a way we can change that? I would like to use a particular option from a data, or from particular option from the insert tab into the home, because I'll be often using that option. Yes, you can do that. You can do the changes. You can bring the changes in the ribbon of the Excel. Then you on top left you will find a quick access toolbar. So even the quick access toolbar options can be changed. Like you can bring a particular option tool to the quick access toolbar. Say example, you want to use it row deletion or column deletion or duplicate removal. All these options will be found in the different locations in your tab. So you'll be very often using it, then you can just pull it over there. So we will see all these things. So here we see like we have multiple sheets. For example, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4. So in some cases we might have too many sheets. We don't want to see all the sheets, or just in case we want to share it, we want to prevent from others seeing the sheet, or for some reason maybe we don't want them to make any changes, or we don't want them to read the sheets. So in those cases we have an option to hide the sheet. We can just hide the sheet. So any number of sheets you can hide it. You want to unhide this, just right click in any of the sheets, then just use the option unhide. Then you can unhide one sheet, or you can unhide multiple sheets by using your control. Then you click, same as how you choose normally, how you select the items. So just click OK, then you will be able to unhide all the sheets. You can just rename, delete. You want to protect that particular sheet with the password, you can do that. Or you can have a different color, say like, so to have some differentiations you can have tab colors. You can do that. So you can link that particular sheet to another sheet, from the same Excel, or different book. So you can do such modification changes in the sheet level as well. Then usually if we have some data, say maybe you're having some data like serial number, first name, username, location. So serial number, I just make it as ABC 1234. So just we will use this to drag down. Okay. So first name will be, or something like this. Then username, user1, location. Actually, this is a location in Singapore where I'm staying, Marina. So now the location. So Hougang and Bangkok, or something like this. Okay, so this is my data. So you can either capture it, or if you want to capture, like you want to screenshot, then usually we use the screenshot option. Actually, the Excel itself has its own uh, screenshotting option. So we can go to options. Actually, we need to uh, use the option from here. Instead, also we can add it to your quick search. So then here you can search for, this is a quick access toolbar. So here you can search for camera. So here it is. So this is how you can add things to your quick access toolbar as well. So this is like one of the thing you can manage. So because some based on our work, some of the tasks we will be very often doing it, so we no need to go to that particular tab each time to do the task. Instead, you just bring them to your quick access tool, then you can just use it. So how as used here. So to use the camera option, the screenshotting option, so you have to choose the cells which you would like to screenshot. Then you just click on it, go to the another sheet where you want the screenshot to be, or any other location, just click it, you will get it. You get the data here, it will be captured as a picture. It's very similar to the screenshot option, but this is inbuilt in your Excel itself. So yeah, as I mentioned here, we go for the options. Here you will see ribbon option and also quick access toolbar. So quick access toolbar, just now we saw how the thing you can add the things to your quick access toolbar. Customizing ribbon is about the tabs here: home, insert, page. So all these tabs here, so you want to make any modifications. Actually, in general, maybe if you notice in your Excel, you will not have this filtering in your home tab. It's actually in your data tab, but I will be using this filtering option very often, so I just brought it to my home tab. So how you do that is, just you go back here, then you want something, like for example I want to move it back now. So what I do is, home, under home, this is the editing. So I just move this to below charts. So you click here, will up disappear here, and you will find it here. So similarly, if you want to add anything new also, you still can do that. You can just use same method. Just you need to select, then add it to the respective tab. So you can just click on the tab which you want to add it, then you can just move it over. So I will just move back my editing to home tab. Okay. So yeah, so now we will see about the filtering the data. So I already said there's option in Excel, so we can filter based on things. So here I usually the header you need to select and make it filter. So enable the filter in the header. So once you enabled it, so example I want to filter it based on Hougang, the notebooks that's on the Hougang location, so I can filter it this way. Or I want to filter it the other way around, like Bangkok, then I can do that. Or I want to do multiple selections. So either I can do multiple selections. So also I can do the multiple selections this way. So I can select Hougang and Bangkok here. So instead of selecting based on this, we can also do the other way. For example, I change the font color to red. So here I can go filter by color. So you can see the font color. So we select only the red colors here. So if you want to filter based on something else, for example the cell colors, then you go here, you will sign the cell color. So you can, so now I already, you can clear here. So say example, you are, you want to filter the data that has 6. Okay, you have filtered it already. Now you need to add on something else. Say example, I want to filter the data that has 7. So if you're going to click OK, you will get 7, not 6. It will not combine. So anytime you keep selecting it, it will change. So to have both different selections together, you have to use this option, add the current selection to the filter. So you'll have both the filter. So from by this option you can do multiple filtering. Filtering not just based on one condition, you can have multiple filterings. So that's an advanced filtering type. So you can also filter based on some conditions. So here, but actually we will not be more using it unless you are analyzing very big data. For simple things, you won't go for this filtering. So anything that maybe here I say we have it something like common one. So we do common. Okay, so here we go, then filter begins with, you can filter this way. So you can just put any condition, then you can just filter it. So clear, then common, kiosk one. So you can add multiple filters, begins with a, and another condition, like you can add one more condition, maybe uh, does not equal to. So if it matches both the conditions, then it will filter out your data. So you can just use this filtering option. This is like something like advanced filtering option, like custom filtering you can do. So just based on your conditions, the data you would like to filter, you can use all these options. Then next thing we will see here is we will see the conditional formatting. So conditional formatting, we'll see the conditional formatting, then we will see data validations. So these are the other the conditional formatting comes under here, and the data validations under the data part. So here we can get the excel, how to make connections, everything we will see in the follow-up video.